The Indian Navy has commissioned two state-of-the-art Project 17A stealth-guided missile frigates INS Himgiri and INS Udaigiri today. Paris Defence has bagged a 45.32 crore rupees order from Bharat Electronics Limited to supply signal and data processing systems and multi-sensor fusion systems for air defence systems like the Maritime and Akash and Shree. India and Fiji unveiled major defence and maritime security initiatives, including a new defence attaché in Suva, Indian naval ship visits, gifting of 2 sea ambulances, a cyber training cell, and support for Fiji's exclusive economic zone. Hindustan Shipyard Limited has awarded a 106.62 crore rupees contract to Maharashtra-based Shree Refrigerations Limited for advanced HVAC systems for the Indian Navy's Fleet Support Ship project. The Indian Air Force has bid farewell to its MiG-21 fighter jets after over 6 decades of service. As part of the symbolic send-off, Indian Air Force Chief flew solo sorties of the MiG-21 on 18th and 19th August. Wing Commander Jaideep Singh has said that the Indian Air Force's MiG-21 Bison scored its last recorded kill in 2019, when it shot down a Pakistani F-16 during an aerial combat over POK. L&T has successfully completed flight trials of its indigenous maneuverable recoverable aerial target for training air defense systems. Bangalore-based NewSpace Research and Technologies has successfully conducted developmental trials of its 1,000 km range Sheshnag-150 long-range precision strike UAV designed for swarm warfare. Bangalore-based startup Zulu Defense has demonstrated its indigenous 30 km range deployable reconnaissance and attack platform, which is India's first hovering kamikaze drone for armored targets. The Aeronautical Development Agency has begun issuing work orders for structural assemblies of the first AMCA prototype. The orders cover core airframe components and systems integration, and only 8 Indian vendors were selected after stringent evaluation. A General Electric team will visit India soon for final negotiations with Hindustan Aeronautics for the F414 engine deal with 80% tech transfer and local production, aiming to conclude talks by end of 2025 and sign the contract by March 2026. The Indian Air Force is set to acquire the Israeli Wind Demon tactical cruise missile that has a range of over 200 kilometers and 1 meter accuracy, which will be deployed from Rafale Su-30 Tejas aircraft and even attack helicopters. Adani Defense has signed a binding collaboration agreement with US firm Spar Leon Springs, which is a part of Elbit Systems of America, to localize production of advanced anti-submarine warfare systems including sonobuoys for the Indian Navy and global markets. Hyderabad-based Armory Shield Private Limited has won an Indian Army contract worth 200 crore rupees for 40 Surge DSCGXC-1 handheld anti-drone systems that can detect and jam drones up to 5 kilometers, providing soldier-level protection against UAV threats. The DRDO has completed site acceptance tests of India's first photonic radar, which is a light-based system with stealth aircraft detection, ultra-high resolution and jamming immunity. The Indian Navy has launched a 28-megawatt indigenous gas turbine marine engine development program under the Make-1 category, and key partners include Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, Hindustan Aeronautics GTRE alongside private industry. The project will develop 4 prototypes, followed by bulk production of at least 40 engines for destroyers, frigates and future warships. The Indian Navy and Germany's ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems are in advanced talks to integrate DRDO's 500 km range submarine-launched cruise missile onto the proposed U-214NG submarines under Project 75 India. The indigenous SLCM can be fired from standard 533mm torpedo tubes, compatible with the Calvary class, Kilo class and future U-214NG submarines. Today's top 3 comments.